What is oil additive used for? Oil additives are chemical compounds that are mixed with engine oil to enhance its performance and protect the engine. These additives are specifically designed to improve the lubrication, cleaning, and overall functioning of the engine. They can be added to both gasoline and diesel engine oils. Here are some common uses and benefits of oil additives. Improved lubrication. Oil additives can form a protective film on the engine's metal surfaces, reducing friction between moving parts. This helps minimize wear and tear, extending the life of the engine and its components. Engine cleanliness. Additives can help keep the engine clean by preventing the formation of sludge, varnish, and carbon deposits. This is important as deposits can clog oil passages and affect engine performance. Corrosion protection. Certain additives contain anti-corrosive properties, which safeguard metal surfaces from rust and oxidation caused by moisture and acids that may form during engine operation. Temperature resistance. Some additives can improve the oil's ability to withstand high temperatures, ensuring that the oil remains effective even under extreme conditions. Fuel efficiency. Certain additives can improve fuel economy by reducing friction and enhancing engine efficiency. Reduced foaming. Oil additives can help reduce foaming, which is essential for maintaining consistent oil pressure and lubrication performance. Seal conditioners. Some additives contain seal conditioners that help prevent leaks and keep seals and gaskets pliable, reducing the risk of oil leaks. Noise reduction. Certain additives may help reduce engine noise and vibrations by ensuring smooth and efficient operation. It's important to note that while some additives can provide significant benefits, not all oil additives are created equal. Some low-quality or incompatible additives can even harm the engine, so it's essential to use additives recommended by the engine manufacturer or trusted brands known for producing reliable products. Overall, the primary goal of using oil additives is to enhance engine performance, extend engine life, and maintain optimal efficiency and cleanliness. However, it's always a good idea to follow the manufacturer's recommendations and consult with a professional mechanic if you're considering using any oil additives in your vehicle.